Yo, what is up guys? Fidget on today we got a fidget spinner. My mum just gave me it. And I've only just used it a second. And I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with it apart from spin it. But if you want to see more fidget spinner videos, leave a comment and drop a like, and also subscribe. The goal is to get 100 subscribers, so then we can upgrade that YouTube plaque, which I made. But if you get the 100, you can, it's a paper, but I don't really care. And after this video, I'm going to make a video on my phone channel. Hang on a minute, I've got an idea. So I'm still using this app, and I'm still using this app. Well, I got the Barbie Girl song off, and this isn't sponsored or anything. And I challenge this person.
Bazinga!
Not really, I'm joking. But let's carry on with this video. If you want to see the 99 or 999 miles per hour, then leave a comment. So guys, I will be changed in 3, 2, 1. Right, now we're changed. That was magic, wasn't it? So, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if I should do more of these. And peace.
Mum.
Oh.